Hi, I'm Rahul, and today we are going to discuss the poem How to Tell Wild Animals Summary. Guys, it's first chapter poem, and I have already discussed many of the chapters of First Flight class 10th, and today we are going to get the summary of how to tell wild animals. Children, this was written by Caroline Wells, who is an American writer, and in this chapter she explains that how there are the characteristics of various wild animals, and that is in a very funny way, because this poem is humorous poem, which is also called as mockery poem. And in this poem she has used language in a way that is generates humor, that is generates humor. और उन्होंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया है कि कैसे वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स को हम लोग, जैसे एशियन लायन हुआ, और देयर इज बंगाल टाइगर, और देयर इज बियर, एंड इट इज एक्सप्लेनिंग ईच ऑफ एनिमल्स इन द वेरी ह्यूमरस वे. ह्यूमरस इन द सेंस दैट जो हम लोग सुनकर के वो मजाकिया टाइप और फनी वे, वी कैन से दैट इज ह्यूमरस वे. So here we go on the summary that how she has explained about that all these things and all about the various types of animals. So first stanza of this poem that explains about the Asian lion, and the poet is described about the various wild animals where animals are very dangerous, and she has introduced them one by one in a very funny way. So first of all she tells about the Asian lion, where she says that if you are visiting the jungles of east and there you see an animal which has tawny skin and he roars so loudly that you will die out of fear, this means you have seen an Asian lion. यदि आप ईस्टर्न के जंगल में जाते हैं, वहां पे ऐसा कोई वाइल्ड एनिमल आप देखते हैं जिसे देख करके आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा डर लगे और ऐसा लगे कि नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डाई, मीन्स दैट wild animal is which wild animal? That is Asian lion. Here then again she's explaining the Royal Bengal tiger, and in this line she says that royal animal that at once attacks and that kills a man, means that is Royal Bengal tiger. And she says by adding humor that if this beautiful black striped, because black striped are there on the Royal Bengal tiger, and the black striped animal there, and you find kills you and eats you, that is Royal Bengal tiger. So here the way she explains there about Royal Bengal tiger. After that she explains that if the reader has met a leopard, moreover she says if one will cry out in pain, it may be of no use, as leopard will not stop attacking you. When you cry in pain, when you cry, when you do anything, but that leopard is not going to leave you, that go on attacking and attacking on you. That is in the third stanza of the poem. Then she moves on the bear, bhalu, that she says that it will hug you very tightly, and this is the way to recognize a bear. When you want to recognize a bear, it hugs you very tightly, as it kills a person by hugging him very tightly. So that is the characteristics of bear, and this is the way to recognize a bear, as he go on hugging you and hugging very tightly. After this he asks a question to the reader that do they know that how to recognize beasts that hunt their prey, as she explained that hyenas which she think have a smiling face, and the crocodiles they have tears in the eyes. Hyenas you always find that they have the smiling face, all the time they have the face of smiling, all the time they smile. And we say ghariyali aansu, that crocodiles they have always the tears in the eyes. So like that you can recognize them, and like that you can identify them. These are the characteristics of all those animals which she is telling and which she is describing here. So this can be seen when they are killing their prey. The last one is the list of the chameleon. Chameleon, she says that girgit, which is like the lizard, chipkili type, and that creature which doesn't have ears and wings just like a lizard. Only this can help you differentiate between a lizard and chameleon. And she further says that, वो आगे बताती हैं कि chameleon has a quality of changing its कलर. लोग कहते हैं गिरगिट की तरह रंग बदलना, तो chameleon has the quality that they can change the color, they can change its color according to the what do you call that, color of the surface. And so to explain this, he says that the reader looks that if a tree or if on any place where such type of things, this means there is chameleon sitting on which has already turned its color to the brown, just like the branch of the tree. So you know, on the different tree or on different surfaces, you find that we can watch or we can see chameleon, but we cannot identify them, we cannot get them, because they have the capability, they have the quality to change the colors as per the according of the floor, or that as per according of the surface. So you know that these are the qualities that we have already discussed about various types of animals. These are the characteristics what Caroline Wells she has described in this poem, how to tell wild animals. Yeah, guys, this is very interesting and very humorous type of poem where you can find different type of things here. Yeah, about the different animals. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. If any comment is there, if you are not understanding anything, then you can put that in the comment box to ask anything with me. Thank you.